All right, I am at another house today. I believe this house was built in the 1920s, 30s, and I got permission to metal detect the yard, and so we'll see what we find today. Yeah, let's do it. Right there. That is a 1968 penny. Right there. It's a coin. It's a coin. It's a regular penny. 1974. I was just digging this hole, had a good high number, and this just popped out. A 1960 something quarter. Yeah. It's always good to find quarters. It's always nice. I was digging this hole, had a nice high tone to it, and this little bad guy popped out. It's a dime. 1960 something. There you go. Another high tone. Digging around, there's a huge root right here, and I was digging around here and then can't see it yet, haven't looked. Let's see what it is. It's another dime, only really a few feet away from the other one I found. All in here I found those two dimes, and then right here picking up a low to mid 80 number. Over here, missed it a little bit, I think. Still getting used to my new my new AT Pro, how the coil works and all that stuff. Man, where is this thing? Jeez. Oh. It's right there. Another dime. Sweet. Mid to low 80 signal. So right next to a tree. So of course there's all kinds of roots. Oh, look at that right there. Ha! Let's check the hole first. Right in my scoop. How cool is that? The penny. A regular one. Ha, that's funny. High 80s signal. In the plug. Right there. Look. Right there. That looks like a quarter. Let's move it. Oh yeah. That is a quarter. 19 something. I can't tell. What do you think? Nice. Low 80s. In the hole. Roots. Oh, it's out. It's in here. Oh. It's in here. Let's see. You see it? Oh, right there. Look at that. Penny. 1973. Sweet. Lots of roots. Right there. Oh, fell down in. See if I can get it. 1966 penny. Didn't even move a foot, and I got another signal. Wasn't that deep. Ooh, it's in the plug. See if I can see it. Oh, I think I see it right there. You see it? It is a dime. Get in the light. 2002. Not old at all. I'm in the front of this house now, and just hit up a good target and dug this little hole, and this was right on top. And that is a newer quarter, Texas. An awesome signal here, and right there, dug out a little dime, 1974. Okay, pretty excited about this. This is pretty deep, right by this tree, right in front of this house that I'm digging at, and I started digging this up. I did put this back in the hole because I just wanted to show you how deep it was, but I pulled it out like this, and it has a little gear with a little bit of metal there. This is an old pocket watch. Look at all the gears. One gear just fell out. And there's more in this hole. This is on its lowest setting, so whatever is in here is close. I'm gonna take this back in there just so I can dig up some more dirt, but I'm gonna be really, oh, right there. Look at that, that's the plate for it. Oh my gosh, how cool is that? So it's an old pocket watch. Wow. That is cool. Wow. I have no idea what kind of metal it is. If it's silver. It's not actually, you know what? It's coming up high 80s, or sorry, low 80s. I wonder what year it is. I'll clean it up. Oh, look at all the little gears in there. Man, that is cool. Oh, that's awesome. Right in between two huge roots. That's where that was. High 80s, or actually low 80s. Oh, right there. The dime. No idea what year. Got a nice signal here. Coming up in the 90s. So digging this up. I was just recording this and I got a phone call, and so I had to stop. Right there, right there. Oh, is that silver? Oh my gosh, is that silver? Let's see. Super shiny. I think that is a silver quarter. Gotta be. Oh my gosh, look how shiny it is. $1936. Look at that, silver quarter. Saw it peeking out of that hole on the side like that. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. That's sweet. Look at that. Very high pitch, almost in the 90s. Plug. Oh, right there, look, right there. A quarter. There you go. Nice. Really high 80s, almost 90s. Oh, look at that right there. Quarter. Nice. Tell what year it is? Looks like 62 to me. Awesome. Digging this hole, pretty good sign, and I just reached in, grabbed a clump of dirt, and looks like 2 pennies fell out. I haven't looked at them yet. 1940? 1945? 2 Wheaties, I believe. Wait, there's something else. 3 little pocket spill. Another Wheatie. 3 Wheaties. Let's see if there's any more. Oh, 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 there's some more here too. Oh man, big pocket spill. Lots of pennies. Another Wheatie. Let's see if there's anything else. Not up here. I'm gonna lay these right there. But there is more in this hole. Sweet. Oh, wow. Yeah. Another Wheatie. So 5 wheat pennies right in the hole. Double check. Nothing else. Awesome. This is quarter or silver, because that is a high ton. It's like 90, 92. Do we see anything? It is in here though. Oh baby, look at that. Oh my gosh, it's silver. It's silver. Look at that. Let's see what it is. Oh man. It's a quarter. And it's silver. Let's see what year. Gosh, that looks like in great shape. 1952. 1952 quarter. Silver quarter. Oh man, that is beautiful. Yes. That's so exciting. 2 pieces of silver for today. Picking up at 90, 91 again. Last 2 times it's been silver. Let's hope it's silver again. Oh my gosh, that would be so great. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think it's silver again. It is. Another silver quarter. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yes. Look how beautiful. Let's see what year it is. 1964. Look at that. Oh my gosh, another silver quarter. Silver, silver, silver. Woo! Just now leaving this house. It's built in 1924. And so had a great time digging this place. Found a lot of silver, a lot of good stuff. All right, just got back from the house. Found a lot of awesome stuff, and it's right in front of me, and I'm going to show you. So, all the trash, all of it. Had a little bit of tube of paint, and it busted in my bag, so there was yellow paint that kind of got all over, which is whatever. Found this wicked sweet Hot Wheel car. Cleaned it up a little bit. Also, I cleaned up a couple things from what you saw in the video. I cleaned up that pocket watch, which I'm going to show you here. But found 2, 4, 6 wheat pennies. Found a lot of pennies, regular pennies. Found 1 nickel, 7 dimes, 2, 4, 6, 7 quarters, 3 silver quarters. 1 is 1936, which is so cool. 1936. That may be the oldest quarter I own. And then I found a 1952 silver quarter. beautiful shape. And a 1964 silver quarter. I also found this little piece of metal thing. I have no idea what it is. This is, I think, like a little button. It has a 1-2 on it, but I'm not sure. The coolest thing is the pocket watch. I cleaned it out a little bit, got a lot of the dirt out of it. You could see some of the gears still exist. The back is still here, which is really cool. I'm hoping to clean this up and maybe get like a date or a number of some kind on it. But this is the pocket watch itself. Earlier all this was filled with dirt, so you couldn't see through it or anything, but this is really, really cool. And I don't know if it's silver. I'm assuming it is, since it has a little bit of shine there, and I don't see any rust except for like in the gear, but I don't know. You tell me. But that is by far the coolest find of the day. But those 3 silver quarters, that's pretty sweet as well. So this is everything, all the good stuff. Pretty awesome.